Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use Grok for free. First thing first, open your browser and go to Grok through the X platform. Log into your Grok or X account, and if you don't have one, you'll need to create it first. Now once logged in, find the Grok section in the sidebar or menu. Click it to open the chat interface. Just like other AI tools, type what you want in the input box. Just press enter or click the generate button. Grok will instantly respond with an answer. If the answer isn't perfect, ask follow-up questions, be more specific, and add context to your prompt. And finally, Grok works best when your prompts are clear and direct. Treat it like a conversation. You can keep refining until you exactly get what you need. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Hello everyone and welcome back to